Let me tell you a story.
For fans of fine dining, this is for you. This one is about the finest restaurant in the city. It is winter. Everyone arrives in expensive coats fur, leather, cashmere, you name it. Some of these coats cost more than a month's rent. When you arrive, you hand your coat to the attendant. She hangs it carefully in a secure room behind locked doors. And she gives you a ticket, just a small piece of paper with a number on it. On that night, mine was number 47. Later that night, an unintelligent thief breaks into the coat check room. They see dozens of expensive coats. Beautiful, valuable, easy to sell. But here's the problem. The thief doesn't have a ticket. And without a ticket, they can't claim a single coat. The attendant won't release them. So the thief steals the attendant's tickets instead. The thief was interested in one ticket in particular. My ticket, ticket number 47. But now the thief has another problem. Because ticket number 47, it is worthless. It is just paper. It only has meaning in that restaurant, with that attendant, for that one coat, on that one night. You take ticket 47 anywhere else in the world, it is garbage. This code check system, this is tokenization. And it is how your credit card stays safe every time you shop online. Here's how it works. When you buy something online, the merchant doesn't actually store your credit card number. That would be dangerous. If they got hacked, your card will be compromised. Instead, your real credit card number gets sent to a secure vault, the payment processor. Think of it as the locked code check room. The vault stores your card safely and it sends back a token, a random string of numbers that represents your card but isn't your card. That token, it's your ticket. It only works in that specific transaction with that specific merchant at that specific time. Let me show you exactly how this works. Tokenization happens in three steps, like the code check system, but for your credit card. The first step is the handoff. You enter your credit card number on the website. Let's say you're buying a coat. That card number gets immediately sent to a secure tokenization vault, usually run by your bank or a payment processor like Stripe or PayPal. The merchant's website never sees your actual card number. It goes straight to the vault. The second step is the exchange. The vault stores your real card number in a highly secure database, encrypted, access controlled, monitored. Then it generates a token, a random string that looks like the one you see on the screen. That token is mathematically linked to your real card number inside the vault, but the token itself, meaningless to anyone else. The third step is the transaction. The vault sends the token back to the merchant. The merchant stores the token in their database. If they get hacked, the attacker gets tokens, worthless tokens. They can't use them to buy anything, anywhere. When you make a purchase, the merchant sends the token back to the vault and says, charge the card associated with this token. The vault looks up your real card, processes the payment, and confirms the transaction. This is why when you save your card on Amazon or Netflix, if their database is breached, your actual card number stays safe. The attacker gets tokens, and tokens are just tickets with no codes to claim. Your card stays in the vault. The token moves around the world, and separation is what keeps you secure. Now, here's the elegant part about tokenization. It is based on a very old principle: security through separation. Think about how we protect valuable things in real life. You don't carry the deed to your house in your wallet, you keep it in a safe. You carry identification that proves you own the house, but not the house itself. You don't walk around with your entire life savings in cash. You keep it in a bank. You carry a debit card, a token that gives you access without exposing the full amount. Tokenization works because it understands a fundamental principle about security. The value and the access should never be in the same place. Your code stays in the locked room. Your card stays in the vault. What moves through the world? Just a ticket, just a token, worthless to everyone except the system that knows what it represents. So remember, your code is not safe because the ticket is strong, but because the ticket is worthless to thieves. That is tokenization. File close. Next case, the sacred language.